guys, I'm Michelle. Here is our new stream dock MBox N4. 10 display case, 1 strip screen, slide to switch the scenes or pages. 4 knobs to adjust volume, color, size, brightness, even since pages hotkeys. And we got a USB hub behind it. 2 USB, 1 Type-C plug with keyboard, mouse, U-disc. Accept basic operation like 1 quick press to open file, AP client, website, the relevant same poop as the software come up. Sense or hotkeys shift casually and configure animated icon as you wish. More than 400 plugins, icons, scenes, tutorials you can find on our software. So guys, which one you would pick, black or white?